Brothers and sisters, we know that we are under attack. We know that we have enemies. The problem is sometimes we don't want to look at that enemy. We don't want to face that enemy. We don't want to look eye to eye with that enemy. And hence what we do is we go in this mode of oblivion, oh, no enemy exists. No, you're just a conspiracy theorist. Oh, you're just bringing up, no, this is all political and I have nothing to do with politics. Brothers and sisters, whether you have anything to do with politics or not, but you do see all these innocent human beings being butchered and massacred. And being a Muslim, being a follower of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam, you have a duty. I have a duty, whether we like it or not. So the first step and the stage that a warrior who's fasting and observing fast has to perform is identify the external enemies of Islam. Number two, devise and execute a defense strategy. When you're under attack, what do? It's natural to defend yourself. Well, when we say that the Muslim Ummah is like a body and this body is being attacked, where is our reaction? Should we not display a reaction? So if you're on a street and a mad dog jumps on you, what do? You react to it. And if we truly believe in the hadith of Prophet and the prophethood of Prophet, and him saying that the entire Muslim Ummah is like a body, then this body must be reacting against all these attacks. Where's the defense strategy? How many of us are even thinking on those lines? Brothers and sisters, these are serious matters. Yes, these are difficult topics to discuss, and we all know the type of environment we live in. But at the same time, we're awaiting for our 12th Imam. If we're not ready for him, why do we expect him to reappear? And if we have to get ready for him, this probably is the first step. This is definitely a prerequisite, because he is coming to fight oppression. If we are not ready to fight oppression, if we are not prepared to talk against oppression, then why are we expecting him to reappear? Our claim has to chime with our practice.